Hello all, welcome to my channel. My name is Saran Nadar. In this video we are going to learn what is mean, median, mode and range. Mean, median, mode and range are used for fetching the data that represents the dataset. It measures the center of the data. Let's start with mean. Mean is the average. It can be calculated by summing the values in the dataset dividing by the number of values in the dataset. Median. Median can be found by ordering the data in ascending order and fetching the middlemost data. We can fetch the middlemost data easily when it's an odd sequence. If the number of values is even, then we need to calculate the average in between the two middlemost numbers. For example, if I have a data set with values from 1 to 10, then I need to take the average of the values 5 and 6 from the data set to get the median. It is the exact center of the data. Mode. Mode is the number which repeats the most. And mode can be found for both numerical and categorical data. Next is range. Range is the difference in between maximum and minimum value. It is used to know how much our graph is spread. And an outlier, that is an extraneous factor, increases the range. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned to learn more about descriptive statistics. Bye for now.